Good morning, children. So let's learn, revise once again the disaster management. So in that we learn about various types of natural calamities, natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, then storms, forest fires, and also some disaster management also. Disaster management means community participation and disaster management are closely related. Taking steps to prevent the disaster, it's a disaster management. Making plans for face disaster and developing the capacity for that is called a disaster management. So to prevent or reduce damage caused by the natural or the man-made disaster, emergency planning and management is required. So government has taken some steps of disaster management, some preventive measures also, remedial and preventive measures also means what precautions we can take before or in the event of natural or man-made disaster, that also we learn in this lesson. Also we learn about the first aid. First aid means that an immediate aid given to the injured person before the doctor's help. Okay, doctor's arrival. So that is some extra what happens in external bleeding, by which first aid we should give for the burns, that is for the minor burns or the major burns. Then first aid tips for the sunstroke, snake bite and dog bite also. Now this is the what we have learned, a sudden calamity, that is called a disaster, that we learn in this lesson. Then disaster can be of two types, that is man-made disaster as well as natural disaster. Then alternates and immediate action are necessary on such occasions. Effective disaster management and use of remedial measures can be helped to reduce the losses. Then every person should know about safety precautions and first aid. Okay, accidents are occurred due to our carelessness, so we should be careful every time. Okay, precaution is always better than cure. Prevention is always better than cure. We should remind this in your mind. Now, so we discuss about some exercises. Okay, you should know all these. Please keep in mind. What are the emergency contact numbers of the following? So police control room, you should know the phone number of police control room, that is 100. Then fire brigade, the number is 101. In case of emergency, you should know these numbers, so please keep it in your mind. Then ambulance number is, what is your ambulance number? Ambulance number is 102 or 108, you should dial. So this is the ambulance number. Then next number is the national level single emergency number for disaster relief, that is 108. Lots of phone numbers are there. Then next question, what first aid will you provide in the following situations? What first aid will you provide in the following situations? So first situation is a dog bite. What we do in a case of dog bite? Okay, so first aid is some immediate aid given to a victim or a patient before medical treatment is available. Okay, so that is first aid. What should we do? Have to do first? Wash the wound with a soap solution or antiseptic lotion. Then cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth to avoid its attacking of microorganisms. Then get a doctor's help. Then immediately you take that patient to the doctor. Okay, So doctor will give anti-rabies injection. You know the dog saliva carries a harmful germs or harmful bacteria that causes a disease rabies. Okay. Then next is the scratches and bleeding. What first aid you should do? You should give the patient for scratches and bleeding. So what happened? Make the person sit or lie down comfortably. Clean the bleeding part of body with water or antiseptic lotion like Dettol and all this Savlon Dettol we use. Then keep it above the level of the heart to stop the bleeding. Okay? या फिर हम लोग उसके ऊपर घर में हल्दी लगाते हैं, कुछ लगाते हैं ना, एंटीसेप्टिक मलम लगाते हैं. Then another third one is burns or the scales. What you do in case of burns, minor burns. Minor burns में अगर क्या होता है, the injured part should be washed with water or held under water. Water होने से क्या होगा, उसके ऊपर रखने से जलन कम हो जाएगी, है ना. Then give the victim water to drink. Then clean the wound using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. Do not apply oily ointment. Cover the wound using a dry dressing. Okay. Then what happens in case of serious burns? So give emotional support. Then cover the wound with sterilized cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, if easily possible. Do not touch or burst the blisters on the skin. Do not apply oily ointments. Do not try to remove the cloth if it is stuck to the burnt skin. If the patient is conscious, give water to drink, but avoid tea and coffee or other stimulating drinks. Get medical aid at once. So this first aid you should give to the patient who has a serious burns. Okay. Then another is the snake bite. Snake bite के लिए क्या करना है? You should know all these things. So wash the wound with water. Then give emotional support to the patient. Then to tie a cloth tightly above the wound. जहां पे स्नेक बाइट हुआ है उसके ऊपर आपको एक टाइट क्लॉथ बांध देना है टू स्टॉप द ब्लीडिंग टुवर्ड्स द हार्ट. Then take that person immediately to the doctor. And what the doctor treat? The doctor give anti-venom injection to the person. Okay. Then sunstroke. Okay, usually in the summer season due to a lots of heat, that's a temperature, usually sunstroke occurs. So what you have to do, take the patient to a cool place or on in the shade. Then sponge the whole body with cold water. क्योंकि क्या होता है सनस्ट्रोक में water get continuously evaporate from the body, dehydration होने लगता है. Then place the cloth soaked in the cold water on the neck region. Give plenty of water or liquids like sharbat to drinks, cold drinks, sharbat usko dena hai. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him prone. Then his abdomen with the head turn on to side. Then get a medical help or shift the patient to the hospital. So this first aid you should give the patient. Then write the causes of the following. So next question, write the causes of the following. First question is the floods. A is the floods. में क्या होता है? Flood is frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world, usually in the rainy season. Due to excessive rains in some place, a river overflows its banks, causing a flood situation. The water drainage system in the big cities falls short when there is a heavy rainfall, resulting in choking of gutters and drainage lines. Then water overflows on the roads and surrounding houses. So that is the flood situation. Then forest fires. How the forest fires? That forest fires is uncontrolled fire in the forest. Then pastures or the grassland due to the natural or man-made causes. Natural causes क्या है forest के? Natural causes of forest fire can be lightning, volcanic eruptions, friction among the branches of trees is extremely hot and dry weather. Or man-made causes of fires are clearing land by burning, which sometimes goes out to control. Then campers and hikers sometimes leave behind a potential source of ignition like lighted cigarettes and campfire. These are some man-made causes of fire. Okay. Next question is landslides, building collapse. What are the causes of landslides and building collapse? So building collapse and landslides. Landslide causes क्या है? Due to the soil erosion, slope movement in the downwards direction, then prolonged rainfall and seepage, vibration caused by the earthquakes. So these are the some reasons for landslides. Then building collapses, bad design, faulty construction. अगर construction faulty है, construction कच्चा है, so that building collapse is the one of the reason. Then foundation failure or the big foundation, उसका foundation कच्चा होगा, तो then failure or the big foundation, extraordinary loads, earthquake, rampant and irregular construction. So these are the reasons for the building collapse. Okay. Then next one is the storms, causes of storms. The formation of high and low pressure area beds in the atmosphere causes changes in the weather resulting in strong winds or the storms. Then earthquakes के causes क्या हो सकते हैं? Earthquake movement in the interior of the earth releases tremendous amount of energy. You know, earth के अंदर जो है जो energy, it's a hot lava forms inside the earth surface. So this causes the seismic waves leading to the movement of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking and cracking up. Such vibrations or the quaking in the earth's crust is known as the earthquake. Some man-made causes like mining, construction of big dams can be leads to an earthquake. Okay. So this is the earthquake. Next question. Answer the following question. What are the types of disaster? Disaster of two types, natural disaster and man-made disasters. Then next question. What is meant by disaster management? It is very important. What is meant by disaster management? Means taking steps to prevent disaster. Manage करना मतलब इसका management करना. So that is taking steps to prevent disaster, making plans to face disaster and developing the capacity for that is called disaster management. अभी आपको पता है कि government is also managing how to control on the COVID-19, है ना? So the government has taken the steps. तो local government में steps रखी है, lockdown किया है, सबको mask compulsory किया है. Means these are the management steps for disaster. It is not disaster. एक pandemic situation है ये, है ना? All over the world is facing this situation. So we are going to manage the systematic situation कि सबको टेस्ट कंपलसरी की है, एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाते तो हम लोग जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है वो टेस्ट कंपलसरी करते हैं, है ना। और हम लोगों को मास्क कंपलसरी किया है, कैसे, क्योंकि ये डिसीज जो है दैट इज अ कॉन्टेजियस डिसीज, स्प्रेड्स थ्रू वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन। हम लोगों को हैंड वॉश कंपलसरी किया है, सैनिटाइजर का यूज कंपलसरी किया है, सो दैट मीन्स इट्स अ मैनेजमेंट। So government, the taking step to prevent disaster, making plans to face disaster and developing the capacity for that is called a disaster management. Then which are the main components of disaster management? कौन से components है disaster management के? तो है emergency planning and implementation of disaster management work are the main components of disaster management. Community participation is closely related to disaster management. Okay. Then next question is the find out about the work of a Sarpamitra. You know, Sarpamitra means the people who help to control on जो सांप आते हैं। यूजुअली पीपल डर जाते हैं, बहुत लोग जो सांप को देख के अगर किसी के एरिया में चला गया है, तो सर्प मित्र क्या करते हैं, दे फाइंड आउट about the work of Sarpamitra. So Sarpamitra is a friend of snake. It's a snake's friend. उसको snake's friend बोलते हैं कि जो a person who is trained to protect, save and safeguard snakes, है ना। लोगों को भी डर, लोगों के मन में से डर कम करते हैं, स्नेक को पकड़ के उनको नया जीवन देते हैं। नहीं तो लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको सब स्नेक इज अ फार्मर्स फ्रेंड आल्सो। ओके, so whenever there is a phone call from the police or the citizen informing the Sarpamitra about snake sightings, they immediately rush to the situation and rescue the snake that would have been killed at the hands of the people. Sarpamitra are well trained to handle snake by capturing them, keeping them in baskets or the bags before releasing them in the wild. They are in contact with the police department and the forest department for rehabilitation of snakes. Sarpamitra are also trained to perform primary first aid to snake bite victims before they are moved to the hospital. Thus, the Sarpamitra do a commendable job for saving snakes, saving human life without any monetary gains, but for sheer love of snakes. So it's a great role of Sarpamitra. Then, first aid kit box. Which things you should keep in your first aid box? You know the first aid box? Usually we have, हमारे सबके घर में फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स होना भी जरूरी है। सो क्या क्या होना चाहिए? फाइंड आउट व्हाट अ फर्स्ट एड किट और फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स कंटेन्स। तो क्या होना चाहिए उसमें? सबसे पहले दैट फर्स्ट एड किट इज अ नेसेसरी एट होम, वर्क प्लेस, ट्रैवलिंग, इन स्कूल्स, etc. हमारे स्कूल में भी है फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स है, फर्स्ट एड किट है, वी प्रोवाइड द पर्सन हु इंजर्ड. It contains a cotton roll, then sterilized dressing, a pair of scissors, Dettol or Savlon, that in Dettol soap we should keep, adhesive plaster, tablets like Crocin, necessary medicines like painkiller, tincture iodine, electrolyte powder, eye or ear drops, potassium permanganate crystals, Bernol ointment for the, okay, so these things you should keep in your first aid kit. आपके घर में अगर होगा फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स, अगर कुछ नहीं होगा, so please keep this at your home. These are very essential things Thermometer also you should keep in that first aid box nowadays. Oximeter is also very essential, है ना? It measures the oxygen level. अगर जिसके घर में पेशेंट्स है जो बीपी का इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है वो भी होना जरूरी है. These things are very essential things that you should keep in your first aid box. Okay, so this is about the. Then you should make a first aid box as an activity. एक ड्राइंग बना सकते हो आप, थिंग्स बना सकते हो फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स में. यूजुअली आस्क इन एग्जाम, ड्रॉ द थिंग, व्हाट which things, make a drawing, which things we should we keep in our first aid box. So bye children. Next video we will continue with another new topic. So bye all of you.